Hello guys and welcome back to the Silver Fox Does Stuff channel. This is the start of our caravan renovation project, which I'll be doing over the next few weeks hopefully, just to get it ready for touring again. As you can see, it's got a bit grubby over the last couple of years, mainly down to lack of use really. First job I'm going to tackle is getting those corner steadies in good working order. They're sure to be all rusted up. So let's get on with it. Get under that van, Michael. Right, we're going underneath the caravan. We've got work to be doing under here. The idea is I'm going to be changing this thing, which is one of the legs, or a corner steady as they're calling them these days. And I'll show you what the problem is. You've got this thing, and when it winds, when you wind it, it's popping out of that hole there. So it's not working. So if you come back along, you'll see this is the culprit. That's supposed to stay there, but it's moving. I do think if we can get a better look. It's cold apparently. There's a pin broken just under there, so I'm going to try and get, where is it? This nut. And I can point the camera in the right, it's hard when you're upside down. This nut and bolt, and there's one on the other side as well over there. Over that way. I'm going to try and get them off. First job, I'm going to give them a spray with this stuff. It's like a WD-40 kind of thing. Cheap version. So wish me luck. Can't see the budging one little bit. Well, I've given them a jolly good spray, so let's just wait and see what happens. Here's some of the tools we've got for the job. Handy little kit there, fits in the caravan nice. So does this. Every spanner you'll ever need apparently. Adjustable of course. And the ever-present lubricating propellant and water dispenser. A little tip when you're working on top of the grate, stick some cardboard underneath, because you can guarantee that them little things are going to end up in there. As suspected, there's zero chance of them coming off. What am I going to do? No. Well, I'm not sure, but I think it possibly is moving. Or is it just turning the whole thing round? It's not very easy to film underneath here. It's moving. It is moving. I think it is. It was impossible really to get this out, so I've just screwed this whole thing out and discovered that, well, I knew that this thing here, I'm in the shadow, I'll try and get out the shadow, that is supposed to be held in position by this. You see it's got like a split in it. So now we've got to put it back in position, get one of these, and Bob's your uncle. Hopefully we can do it from the inside. So I've managed to get the pin in, right in there, and it's only half a pin, but it's doing the job. So now it's time to give it all a damn good greasing, because nobody likes it when it's dry, do you? So make sure you get underneath using the wife's toothbrush. Don't tell her that. Make sure you get plenty of grease in that middle bit where you couldn't reach. It's quite hard holding the camera still while you're under a caravan light. There you go. And all the way up. And now all the way back down. All nice and greased now. Let's spread it out a bit more. We've got a big blobby bit on the end there, but and that should do the job. Well, we didn't exactly do what we set out to do, but at least we have a working caravan leg now, so better than nothing, isn't it? Catch you next time.